Hello, everybody. Good day once again. First of all, I have to apologize for the delay of the video. Kindly bear with me that I've been so tight. Okay, now before you start your Microsoft Word, we all agree that you need to go and click on your Start button, the window button, and then in order to get access to your software that you want to open very fast, you type the first 3 or 4 letters of your app of the software you want to open. I have Microsoft Word here, but I will assume I don't have it here so that I type. So let's start by typing Word. Once I type Microsoft Word or I type just Word, you see the software showing up here. So the only thing to do is to click on the software. Once we click on the software and we open, by default, Microsoft Word will open what we call the start screen. With the start screen, you have the opportunity to start a new document, or you can access the recent template that you open. And then also you can have access to the recent document you created. You can also click on new. This is new. You can also click on new. Once you click on new, you have the opportunity to start a blank document, or if you know a particular template that is online, you can type the name of the template here or whatever you are looking for, being it a flyer, being it invitation card, being it CV or whatsoever. You only have to type within this typing space, and then the system will go online and then locate the particular file you want to access. Also, when you look down here, you can see a list of templates where we have some sample of a letter, a report, resume, and so forth. And then letterheads. We have so many templates here. So whichever one you want to use, you just click to select. But one thing, before you can use the template, you need to have all the basics of Microsoft Word, being it text formatting, paragraph formatting, inserting pictures and all that, so that you can edit them appropriately. Also, you can come to the open and then click open. Once you click open, you have the chance to choose from the recent document you created. When you click on it, you see the document you've created not long ago here, and then you select from them. But let's say if you have a document that you created some month ago and you cannot locate it here, if you know the particular location of that file, let's say if you have it on a pen drive, you click on this browse. Then when you click on this browse, it opens a dialog box for you. This is called the open dialog box. The open dialog box, this one. Then you go through and then you pick the particular file you want to open. So let's say this is what we want to open, the assignment. Let's say this is what we want to open. So we click on it and I click open. Okay, good. So let's go back. I'm closing it so that we start again. First, you start, you type the name of the software, you open, and then you have these menus here. So we were on open. Let's say if you have the document on the internet, let's say on your internet storage device, let's say cloud storage called OneDrive or Google Drive or uh, iCloud. If you have your document there, you can click select here and then it will show it to you. Let's say you don't know actually where your file is. Then you can be exploring through the various locations we have here, sorry, and then you can look for your file. Okay, there is also another option here called account. Account here. When you click on the account, this is where you can update the version of Microsoft Word you are using, or you get more understanding about what Microsoft Word is about. Also, you can create account with Microsoft Company, whereby it will register the version of the Microsoft Word you are using. And when you come here, if your Microsoft Office is activated, you see it here. So if you want to sign in, you just have to click on sign in and then you can enter the necessary details. You can also choose, you see, I have blue theme by default. So you can choose a different one. You can choose dark. You can choose white. So it's not always the case that the Microsoft Office by default is blue. Even though that is their color, it can always change. Okay. There's another one called, we have another tab here called the feedback. The feedback. When you click there, you'll be able to give Microsoft a feedback. Either clicking on this, or make a suggestion to Microsoft Company about this product. So let's say you use some feature and you are okay. You can click here and then send a suggestion. Or if you want it to be improved, you send a suggestion. And now we have another one called options. This option. So you click on the option and this will rather give you the opportunity to save or to make changes to the settings of your Microsoft Word. So if you want to customize your ribbon, you have it here. The quick access toolbar, you have it here. And then save, let's see how you want your work to be saved. You have it here. So for example, at times you see that when you'll be typing and then your light will go off and then you lose everything that you type. Let's say if you're using a desktop, you can set some time duration within which that the Microsoft Word should automatically save your work. or recover your work. So by default, it is 10 minutes here. So you can change by reducing the time, that after every 3 minutes or 2 minutes, it should change, it should what, auto recover or make some savings to your work. So that once the power goes off, you'll still be able to recover what you've typed. So that one is under the save. You come to the save and then the auto recover settings. Okay, we have other more settings, but then since this is the basic, the beginning of the course, let's stick to this and then move on. So we are done with the start screen. We are about to start the actual software, how to use it, and how to use the work area.